Hi guys, today we will talk about how to turn on pins inspired by your recent activity on your Pinterest app. We will go to turn on this mark or know how we can do that on your Pinterest app. All you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on save, then you come to next window here or your profile, then you just go up, you click here on app, then it's going to show for you window like this, then you just click here on settings, then you come to settings window here, and you just click here on notifications, then you come to notifications window, then you just click here on by email, then it's going to take you to email notifications, then you just go down and you come here to pin pics, then you click here on pins inspired by your recent activity, and like you see this color show for you, that's mean pins inspired by your recent activity, it's turned on now. So that's all now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe, and see you in next video.